This is your prime time forecast from Dr. Don's Weather. A huge thank you to our amazing partners who help make it all possible. Brandy Pike Photography, the Randolph County Commission, Inlow House Lodging, East Alabama Waste, Jimis's Weight Clinic, Jimmy Stevens Construction, Anchor Roofing, the Town of Wadley, Salem Auction House, and Bama Diesel Repair. Broadcasting from the Alpha Weather Center and powered by The Oaks, Longevity Inspections, Integrated Contractor Services, Stevens Home Furniture, N&W Locks, Venture Fence, Estate Masters, Boondocks Barbecue and Creamery, Southern Union State Community College, and the venue at 5 Points Farms. Here's Dr. Don.
Good morning, East Alabama and West Georgia. Welcome to the second half of your weekend. It is Sunday, July 27th, 2025, and today's weather forecast is brought to you by Genesis Weight Clinic in downtown Roanoke. Melissa Hughes and the crew in downtown Roanoke is going to help you with your health. And you need to stop by there and talk to them today. GenesisWeightClinic.com, 334-863-LOSS or 5677. Remember, Genesis Weight Clinic in downtown Roanoke. And get your ducks in a row with Dukas. Jamie Dukas for all of your insurance needs across Alabama and Georgia for 20 years. 256-831-7770 is the number to call. There's a link at the top of this video on Facebook and YouTube to get in touch with Genesis Weight Clinic and Jamie Dukas. It is going to be a hot day across Alabama and Georgia. We're turning up the thermometer. And folks, it's going to get awfully dangerous starting today, tomorrow, and Tuesday. We may start to see some relief by Wednesday. And by this time next week, we may be in the low 80s. Some locations may be in the upper 70s for daytime highs by next Sunday. So brace yourself for the next 24, 36 hours, maybe 48 hours. And then things are going to get a little bit better. For today, no expectations of rain across Alabama or Georgia. General scattered showers maybe down in southwest Alabama, across Mississippi and back into Texas, and the north of our area up into Tennessee, Kentucky, and the Carolinas. Maybe some afternoon scattered thunderstorms today, but across East Alabama and West Georgia, it is just going to be stifling hot with virtually no chance of rain. Here is the heat advisory for Alabama today, and it gets a couple of our western counties in East Alabama. We do have a heat advisory in effect for Calhoun, Talladega, down into Coosa, Tallapoosa, and Elmore, and west back into central Alabama and all the way back into West Alabama and Mississippi. Our easternmost counties in our coverage area in Alabama and our western counties in Georgia not included in the heat advisory at the moment. I think you will be on Monday and probably again on Tuesday. Nonetheless, it's going to be stifling hot today all the way across East Alabama and West Georgia, with temperatures ranging from the low 90s up into the mid 90s. Heat index values will be in that 102 to 105 degree range today. Folks, that's what it feels like outside, and that's all that matters. It doesn't, the actual air temperature is not the deal. It's the effect on your body, what it feels like, and that's what heat index is. That kind of gives your body a false sense of what the actual temperature is, and your body reacts to that. So if you're going to be outside today, stay hydrated, limit your exposure, hit that AC every chance you get, and make sure that you wear that lightweight clothing. And just be careful out there. Don't overdo it. I got a little grass cutting I'm going to do today. So I'm going against my own advice. But, hey, look, I got a jungle up here. I got to get out there and do something with it. But I do plan on taking it easy and do it in moderation. I'm not going to get out there and try to cut the whole yard all at one time. I'll I'll go do 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'll hit the AC for 30. Then if I wake up, I'll go back out and do 5 or 10 more minutes. So just be careful, and we'll get through this just fine. So there are the temperatures expected in Alabama today. My goodness, we'll do 95 in Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, 95 down in Selma. Capital city of Montgomery is going to hit 97 this afternoon. Eufaula will also make it to 97 degrees, and you'll see really the only chance of rain today in Alabama is going to be way up there in the northwest sections of the state. And then in Georgia, we're going to be hitting that 90-degree mark across the entire state. We're talking 95 degrees in Columbus. Atlanta will also hit 95. Over there on the eastern side of the state. Look at Athens at 99 degrees this afternoon. Wow. And then we'll also do 96 in Macon, 97 down in Americus, and 99 degrees expected in Valdosta this afternoon. And again, in Georgia, there is a slight chance of a passing shower way across the northern tier of counties. Northeast Georgia and northwest Georgia this afternoon, but even there, the chance of rain is really less than 20%. So be prepared. Heat, it is on today, tomorrow, and probably Tuesday. It may be Wednesday before we get any real relief. No worries out in the tropics, as we do not anticipate any tropical development in the next 7 days or so. So let's take a look at the current conditions at the venue at 5 Points Farms. It's already warm out there, 76 degrees at the time of this recording, which is at about 8:30 on your Sunday morning. Feels like 77 out there already. Wind is calm at the moment, but occasionally gusting out of the southwest at about 2. Humidity is 88%. The barometric pressure, 30.15. Dew point 72. High yesterday, 91. Will repeat. Maybe a degree or two warmer than yesterday. We have partly cloudy to mostly clear skies. Sunrise this morning was at 5:52, and the sun will set this evening at 7:45 p.m. 6-day forecast from the Alpha Weather Center. Jamie Dukas, your local Alpha agent. Mostly sunny today. 91 the high this afternoon. 75 your overnight low. Monday will be a carbon copy, a degree or two warmer. 92 in the afternoon. Tuesday, an isolated shower possible in the afternoon. 50% likely, so even odds that you will or will not see a shower on Tuesday. Well, at least you have a chance, though. 93 will be the high on Tuesday. I think Tuesday will be the hottest day of this heat outbreak. On Wednesday, we start to see a change in the forecast as we start to get some moisture in the area. Temperatures back off a degree or two, and we'll give you a 70% chance of rain. Thursday, another 70% chance of afternoon thunderstorms. 88 will be the high, and on Friday, 70% chance of rain with a high of 88. And then we're going to have a big dome of high pressure set up over the northeastern United States as we get into next weekend, and that's going to pull much cooler air in from the northeast, coming back down the eastern seaboard and then right across Georgia and Alabama. We're thinking by next Sunday. Now, get me here, folks. Now, this could change. Obviously, it's a week away. But we're thinking by next Sunday, high temperatures may be in the upper 70s to low 80s with a decent chance of rain. I mean, that's going to feel like fall. It'll feel like winter compared to what we're going to deal with in the next couple of days. Cross your fingers that actually happens. That will be our Christmas morning present right there if we can get highs into the 70s by 1 week from today. I'll take it. So here is your Southern Union State Community College Live Doppler HD radar at 8:32 a.m. on your Sunday morning. And you can see there's just nothing happening anywhere across Alabama or Georgia at this hour. We'll take you in a little bit closer on the Dr. Don coverage area of East Alabama and West Georgia. Nothing, not even a dot anywhere on the radar at this hour. If you don't have your What About shirt, you owe it to yourself to go to our weather store and pick up some merchandise. Get your Dr. Don What About shirts and also get your Thunder Buddy shirts. Part of those proceeds come back to support us here at Dr. Don's Weather. And also, please go to Facebook and subscribe to Dr. Don's Weather. We really got a push going on right now to get you guys to do this. It is extremely inexpensive. 99 cents a month is all it costs to be a Dr. Don Facebook subscription member. And we get 100% of those proceeds to help fund all of this stuff. One day we're going to do a behind-the-scenes look at Dr. Don's Weather, so you can see really what goes into making this possible for you. And it's very expensive. So I'm asking you to please consider subscribing to Dr. Don's Weather on Facebook. 99 cents a month. That's less than a half a cup of coffee a day, and less than $12 a year. And we appreciate that if you can make that happen for us. Also, don't forget to check us out over on Dr. Don's Weather 24 Forever. We've got some pretty cool stuff running over there. We've got some podcasts talking about the heat and how to be safe during this heat wave. Also, our primetime forecast just rotates over there as well. And we're going to be adding more segments to it as time goes along. You can see our live Doppler weather radar. It's there 24/7. So we have the alerts that scroll at the bottom of the screen. So a lot of information for you, and it streams 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Dr. Don's Weather 24 Forever. Hope you'll go check it out. Have a fantastic Sunday, and remember, take frequent breaks, hydrate with water, and take it easy out there. Have a great Sunday. Good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. I'll catch you over on Dr. Don's Weather 24 Forever, and I'll see you back in here first thing tomorrow morning on Dr. Don's Weather. Have a great day.
That's a wrap on your primetime forecast for East Alabama and West Georgia, broadcasting from the Alpha Weather Center and powered by The Oaks, Longevity Inspections, Integrated Contractor Services, Stevens Home Furniture, N&W Locks, Venture Fence, The State Masters, Southern Union State Community College, The Venue at 5 Points Farms, and Boondocks Barbecue and Creamery. Dr. Don's Weather is proudly supported by Brandy Pike Photography, the Randolph County Commission, East Alabama Waste, Genesis Weight Clinic, Jimmy Stevens Construction, Anchor Roofing, the Town of Wadley, the Salem Auction House, and Bama Beazle Repair. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow us on Facebook. Share with your friends, and subscribe to Dr. Don's Weather on YouTube. We'll see you back in here tomorrow morning for another edition of your primetime forecast on Dr. Don's Weather.